So you're going to get a plate and you're going to make a monochromatic color scheme. You need at least 5 values in your painting. First, you want to take your Sharpie, once you have your paint set up, golf ball size of white, maybe a little bit of a small golf ball size of black. Make sure you get your name on the edge, and we're going to number your values so you're sure to have 5. White's going to be number 1, black's going to be number 5. For 3, let's put 3 over here, you're going to mix about 50-50. When you're mixing tints and shades, it's always good to start with the lightest value. So in this case, light is very obviously the lighter of the two colors. So I'm starting with white and adding black to it, and I'm going to get a medium gray. And then you're going to have a half full water container on your table. I'll put some different brushes on your table as well. It's good to always have a paper towel, so if you want to wipe your brush and get it clean, you can do that. But another little brush. Then the lighter color for my number 2 value is going to be my lightest gray. I'm going to start again. I'm going to start with the lighter is the righter way to start. The white. I'm going to have 75% white and just a little bit of black. And that's the lighter color is so easily changed. That still looks so similar to the white. I'm going to add a little bit more black until I have that all mixed up. So I'm going to create a range of values for this monochromatic scheme, and I slowly added a little bit more black. If you went the other way around and you started with black, you'd end up with this much paint trying to add white to it to get it to be that light. Now I'm thinking this might need to go a little bit darker because you want all your values to be distinctly different. And that's fine and easy to do. And then over here you're going to have mostly black with just a little bit of white. So a really dark gray value. And that's a monochromatic gray color scheme. However, if you want to do tints and shades with a color, you're still going to need 5 values, and this is your number 4 value, the dark gray. So over here the white would be my name again. It goes on the edge of my plate. The white would be the number 1 value. The number 5 would be the black, and then I've chosen red as my color. My half full water container can hold the brushes. And I'm going to, over here as a 2, start with the white and add a little bit of red until I get a pink value. And this paint we're going to save for one day and then be able to cover it with foil, and you may need to add a little bit more tomorrow, but that's why I say golf ball size, because whatever you don't use by the end of class tomorrow, it's not going to last a week. So you have to pitch it. So if you notice this week that you have a lot of extra paint, then maybe take a little bit less the following week. So I've got my pink over there, and I am going to mix. So I have a tint. A tint is a color plus white, and that's going to be my second value. And then over here I'm going to have a number 4, which is a shade. A shade is a color plus black. So I'm going to start with red because it's the lighter color, and I'm slowly going to add black because I can always add more, but I can't take it out. Okay, and then I have this sort of maroon, deeper shade of red. And that's it. And remember, when you're washing your brushes, under the stream of water, you're going to use your palm, and then always leave them brush side up once they're clean in a clean water container at the front or the back sinks.